In my research with the Society for Parapsychical Studies, I was sent round the world at their expense to investigate certain tribes, certain cultures, and how they convene with the dead. This is something a little bit special. Now, you join me here with quite extraordinary. On one side is a shaman priest, Kologo, and he is, just to my side, quite a character, unnerving in many ways. And to my left here, I've got the translator. He's come from the government here in South America. Pedro Yasco, is that your name?
Yeah, Yasco.
Yeah, he's here, and he's going to do some translating. I am going to take the drug. It's an entheogenic brew. It's been used by shamans and those that they've helped for hundreds, if not thousands of years. It's found all over the Amazon. Ayahuasca is an incredible ability to heal, but what it actually does is it can cause you to experience the paranormal. I'm willing to give it a go. I know that Bruce Parry, so many others have tried it. And would you mind asking the shaman priest what I'm supposed to smoke? Is it this? He is passing me, it's a sort of, well, it looks like a big cigarette, really, doesn't it? It's a sort of, and then what's that, a vine leaf? Yashko?
Smoke.
I'm a little bit nervous, it can make you quite nauseous, and I'm going to just... Oh my God!
Normal.
I don't know whether I can take any more.
More inhale.
I can't inhale anymore.
You try more.
I don't want to inhale anymore.
More good.
Oh, that's... I don't want anymore. All right. Just need What's he saying?
He said you need to attach to your penis.
What?
Put the string around your testicle and pull up.
No.
Stand up. Put the shoulder up.
I don't want to do that.
Stand up.
I don't want to do it. Get off.
The effect will be stronger.
I don't want to. I don't want to see any ghosts.
Stand up. Wait for the pull.
Hold on, there's a ghost. I've seen one now. I've seen one. I don't want to do anymore. I've seen him. He's gone.
Pull. Smoke more. He said, put the rope around your penis.
Oh, no.
Which is attached to the boulder.
No.
Take the piece of wood, open the eye of your penis.
Yeah, I've done that.
Open the eye of your penis with the wood. Blow into the penis the flies and the dust of ayahuasca mucho. Push the stick into your penis. Now suck your own penis.
Will I see a ghost?
Keep sucking your penis.
Come on. No!
Let the shaman priest suck out of your penis.
No! Oh, crap! I don't want to see any ghosts. All right, I've seen a ghost.
Suck out the spirits of bad from your penis.
Get him off me.
Suck.
Get him off me. I've seen a ghost now. I've seen one.
Suck.
I've seen a ghost now. That's enough.
Let the blood go into your penis.
No, get him off. I've seen a ghost. That's enough.
Well, there you have it. As the great psychic medium Uri Geller once said, if you're not frightened, you're not doing it properly.